why is it that there was so much banking reform on this side of the border when we didn't really see as much blood in the streets, for lack of a better word, in GFC1?
At the time, in the U.S., especially in the commercial real estate sector, you could borrow a lot more towards the purchase price of a commercial property than you could in Canada. And in the U.S., they had more options for high ratio financing for residential as well. What we've all heard, the mortgage-backed securities issue. In Canada, our loan to values were lower. So the difference between Canada and the U.S. was in the U.S., banks took back and had to own a lot more real estate than they did in Canada. And that put a much greater constraint on banks' ability to lend. And that meant that it took a lot longer to get out of the credit crisis, and it was more severe in the US. Whereas Canada was more conservative. We didn't have banks taking back ownership of real estate as much because our loan to value levels were lower. So we could recover faster and banks could start lending again faster.